Hi friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Twilight Builders, back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction in Paradise Valley, episode 13. We have drywall installed. They are mudding and taping all the seams today. It looks so good in here. It's amazing how it changes the space once you go from framed walls to drywall. It makes it look like a home and like you're actually rebuilding. As Shannon would say, hey, Humpty Dumpty is coming back to life and might have a pulse. It's so good, but I gotta show you around. Here you can see we're in the kitchen space and you can, the ceiling without the beams helps it feel more open and spacious in here. And then that pantry has defined walls to it now. It's gonna be such a nice size space for them to organize all of their kitchen food preparation in. And this kitchen is gonna be so large. That island is gonna look amazing. Just looks so good. Once we have the tile on that fireplace and the mantel in there, it's gonna be stunning. We're gonna have the Butler's pantry over here. So nice. Drywall just makes such a difference in a space after you've seen behind the walls and through the walls and around the walls. Our guys at MJK are on lunch break right now. Say hi, guys. There they are. They're working so hard. They deserve a break, right? Hall bathroom here. Just a great space. We've patched all the holes that we made in this space, so it looks, her office is gonna be so big now without that built-in over there. It's just incredible. Here we are in the master bedroom hall, and this door has been infilled. No more door here. Oh, so nice. Walking down the hall, and that soffit is gone from up here, so that ceiling feels taller. It's such a great option for us here. Then we've got where our fireplace was. This is such a big space. We were actually talking today about what do you do with this large size space to divide it all up as a master bedroom and sitting room type application. There's a lot of options, let me tell you, but we'll have some decision making to do. And Shannon and I talked through the closets to make sure we had those all appointed nicely, but this feels like such a large master bathroom now compared to what it was before with just walls open. And as our homeowner Shannon said, she's like, we had so much wasted space in here before. So it's really turned into that allocation of appropriate sized spaces that gives them so much more room. This large her master closet, gonna have double hanging on this wall, shelf and drawers on this wall, a tall shelf for shoe storage and such, and then long hanging on that wall. It's going to be a fantastic closet space. And then this is our water closet, and then his master closet. So we've got a shelf space on this right side, and then double hanging and long hanging, and a shelf with drawers in the back corner. Just all the things, all the important pieces are addressed within our closet application and design that we have laid out for these homeowners. But isn't this amazing? All this space is just so good. Friends, thanks for being on this journey with us. We're so glad to have drywall underway. This home is gonna move right along now. It feels like the last few months have maybe taken a long bit of time, but it's just a process to get all that construction done behind the walls, and then this part moves so fast. It feels like you just blink your eyes and you're moving back into your home. So for Coffee and Construction in Paradise Valley, again, thank you so much for being on this journey with us. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.